Hello and welcome to our next video. Now I want to design our front fence to make it look so beautiful. So what do? We use the tool that we call sweep for this dwarf wall in front of the property, so that our fence will look beautiful. So let's go on with it. Let's go to floor plans. You see NGL, natural ground level. You see this view. You know how you are going to pick it already. You just go to your view. From view, you see your section and you draw this section line so that you can view this front very well. So once you have been able to draw it, let me just delete it and show it to you. Once again, you just pick it and you delete it. So once you want to do it, just go to your view, go to the section, click from one end, from your one end to another end, so that the section line can be facing what you want to do. Right click and cancel. You just go to this big box here, you double click inside it. It will not take you to that view. So how do you go about it? Let's go to our sweep. From basics, you see component. From components, create in place, generic models. You go to OK. You type in front fence or whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. You go to OK. From there you go to solid form, solid sweep. That's why you see solid sweep. You now tell you sketch 2D path or pick path. In this case, we want to pick our path, so you just click pick path. You pick 1, 2, and you pick 3. So you now go to trim. You edit this one and this one, and that is all. We right click and cancel. We are finished with that. You go to finish path. From finish path, it will now take you to edit. You see edit on top here where my cursor is. You go to edit to take you to go to view. You can view it from any of these elevation or section. So let's view it in the east. So open view. So you now begin to draw your whatever you want to draw. Let me make my own 150. I'll just make the thickness around that 75 mm. I'll just go. So this one, it depends on you. You can design whatever you like. It's up to you. I'll just do something simple so that you can have an idea of how to go about it. Make sure all your lines are closed. This one is very important. Once you finish, you right click and cancel, right click and cancel again. You now go to finish profile. You can see that because everywhere is closed, that's why it was able to finish. So you go to finish sweep and finish family. Once you are through with that, you now go to 3D. You see what you have done. Can you see the taper around this dwarf wall? Makes it more beautiful when you are looking at it from the front view. So what next now is to give it property. So before you can copy it, you need to give it the rendering property. So you click on it, you go to edit, click edit, you click on it again. You now go to this box here. You now go to material by category. You see one space here. Click inside that space. It will now take you to another materials box. You duplicate. You can call it front fence. Go to OK. So your render appearance, you can change it to any picture that you paint. Let's use paint. Let's go and look for paint. We might say, okay, maybe our own will be something that will be something like a dark color. We can choose a tan color for now, and if you are rendering and you discover that you don't like it, you can come back and change it. That one is not important. So for now, let's just pick tan matte. Go to apply and you go to OK. You go to OK. So that is it. You go to finish family and you have ended that one. So what next for us in the another class is to show you how you are going to put these iron bars on top of this fence. We'll do that in the next class. Thank you.